Hey! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Following that, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now select those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings at the top. Then choose I accept in this pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to, and when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Now you need to click on Set Wallpaper over here, and finally choose Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by clicking on one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!